Welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to teach you today how to mix baking soda in your garden to help with fungal diseases and to chase away your aphids and anything leaf rot.
Okay guys, so here's my garden right now. I'm struggling with aphids. I had a breakout. So I want you to see what's happening here. So I am spraying this solution over my pak choi in my aquaponics garden. You guys can also spray anything in your garden to try to control the aphids, um, mold, white mold, anything leaf rot. Okay, to make this solution, you need some Arm & Hammer baking soda or any pure baking soda will do. And then you will also need 1 liter of water. I'm going to use purified water in my solution just to make sure that I don't mess up because my pH will be adjusted. And then also you're going to need some dish soap. I'm using Dawn dish soap here, but I prefer to use Johnson's baby shampoo, which is less harsh on the plant. So you mix at least 1 drop or 2 drops of Johnson's baby shampoo or Dawn dish soap into the mixture. And then I'm going to get my teaspoon here and I'm going to go to my baking soda and I'm going to put 1 teaspoon of pure baking soda into the 1 liter of water. Once again, I am using purified water. You can use RO water just to be safe and to watch that pH level. And then you have to make sure that you shake this up pretty good so that the mixture will dissolve in the water before you apply it to your plants. You can see there are some soap bubbles going, so I know that the soap is going to help make the baking soda stick onto the leaf and disrupt the pH level on the leaf, and it will make the bugs suffocate, and it will change the pH and make the white mold not be able to live on the leaf. Um, Apply it maybe every 4 days, at least twice every 4 days. And if that doesn't work, then you're gonna have to move to something stronger. Um, and then when you water your plants after you spray this solution, try your best not to water the leaves with your regular watering and just try to water at the soil level. All right. Over here, I'm doing my other strawberries there to prevent any more damage to the other strawberry from the spread of the aphids and the black mold. And on those, I had some fungi also in the soil. So as you see, I got some white mold all over my roses. I did have a contaminated water, and the water was sprayed onto the leaves, so the leaves were all damaged. You see, I have some more flowers over here. The leaves are damaged, and I'm spraying this solution on them. I just spraying it on everything right now just to avoid further damage. Here's some pak choi that some aphids got a hold of, and they went to town on them right on my aquaponics garden. See it? There's some leaf rot, root rot, fungi damage. I even have right here my strawberries in my aquaponics garden. They were hit by white mold also, and I'm just using that to prevent the aphids from spreading. I can shoot another video of the progress, but as you see, this is my first application of this. The second time I sprayed this thing, I had a whole different outlook here. All my
Guys, here's
leaves
the
started to
updated
come
video.
back
So I still
from
have
the
a little bit
pak choi.
problems, but all looking better. See, my plants are going fine now. You saw they were all hit by those aphids. I got new leaf growth coming up. Some of them look really good. The ones that were dying over there look very much better. And then as for the white mold, you can see your strawberry plants. Most of the white mold is gone. Now, this is proof that it works. Some of them I have a little bit right there. So I take care of that again. Overall, it looks much better. That one just didn't make it. Something else hit it. I gotta look. And then those ones right there, they're doing good. Alright guys, you guys have the channel. Like and subscribe, share this video. There's some good information to get out. And I thank you guys very much. Everybody that's subscribing, thank you so much. And you guys happy planting. Thank you.